Before getting into the topic, first let's introduce what is casting. Casting is a manufacturing process in which a liquid material is poured into a casting cavity adapted to the shape of the part, and then allowed to cool and solidify to obtain a casting. What types of casting processes are there? Centrifugal casting, plaster casting, glass casting, investment casting, lost foam casting, die casting, permanent mold casting, rapid casting, sand casting, slit casting, squeeze casting. Let's focus on the most widely used die casting process today. Die casting is a metal casting process that involves feeding molten non-ferrous alloys into dies under high pressure and at high speed to rapidly create molded products. How did die casting evolve? The first die casting equipment was a small, hand-operated machine invented in 1838 and patented in 1849. The purpose is to produce movable type for the printing industry. In the late 20th century, the Sauce die casting machine, manufactured in Brooklyn, was the first to be sold openly in North America. Rapid growth of die casting applications. Entering the new century, with the introduction of new alloys, equipment and manufacturing capabilities have improved. Today, high-pressure casting method has become the standard, and it typically provides a better quality product and a strong finish. In the future, die castings will penetrate into more new markets. In the next video, we will introduce the principle and production process of die casting process to you. If you are interested, follow us.